3D printing can actually print entire houses. I have always been curious about how it works. There are many models of 3D printers, ranging from small to large. They can print small models, large machines. They can even print door panels and houses. Taking a filament printer as an example, it mainly consists of a spool holder, a long filament extruder, a hot end and cold end print bed. The filament is fed from the spool onto the extruder. Filament continuously travels from the spool to the extruder. This is the core component of the extruder. The cold end contains a stepper motor and plastic gears. The stepper motor rotates the gears in rhythm, feeding the filament into the extruder. The area where the fan blows is called the cold end, while the heated part below is called the hot end. It is akin to a pen, and that requires ink to function. The hot end melts the filament and extrudes it. It can be heated to 90 to 110 degrees Celsius. The melted plastic liquid is ultimately extruded from the nozzle. So, how does a 3D printer print various shapes? It is achieved through 4 bars of the extruder, allowing XYZ three-dimensional movement. It can connect to laptop software, stacking the liquid layer by layer according to the design trajectory, ultimately printing the desired model.